have seen a slight uptick.
Hoboken's mayor says the city enjoyed almost a 10-day run of 0 to 2 cases max per day being recorded before the numbers suddenly jumped to as high as 8 cases per day. At the peak, Hoboken was recording about 30 cases per day.
It's not a surge, but it's something that we're concerned about.
This is what democracy looks like.
Hoboken tested 1,000 protesters, about 1 in 10 who were on the streets here in the days after George Floyd's death. 0 came back positive. The Uptown test site run by Riverside Medical remains open to residents.
We're asking the right questions. Where were you? What have you been doing? Have you traveled anywhere? And we have noticed the majority of people had traveled recently outside of New Jersey and were returning.
The rate of transmission has also ticked up across 16 New Jersey counties.
We are seeing an alarming increase in the number of younger residents testing positive, folks who I think feel that they may be invincible.
Governor Murphy, Governor Cuomo, and Governor Lamont have made a tri-state pact to quarantine travelers coming from surging states, including Alabama, Arkansas, Arizona, Florida, North Carolina, South Carolina, Texas, and Utah, a list that will be updated as cases rise or fall. Right now, tests and temperature checks are not required before boarding all airlines. A Florida nurse traveling to New York yesterday who has cared for patients in both states tells Pix 11 in the airport, Florida COVID cases appear lighter.
Even if you're positive, the cases seem to be less. Patients are less sick, and the cases are milder for sure.
Florida's COVID cases did double in a matter of 10 days, and yet the Trump administration has announced it will end funding for 13 federal test sites, including 7 in Texas and the 2 largest in New Jersey at PNC Bank Arts Center in Homedale and Bergen Community College in Paramus.
Even without those 2 major test sites, New Jersey does have over 250 locations where you can get tested. A list is available online, and we have a link to that up now on our website, pix11.com. In Hoboken, I'm Christy Duffy, Pix 11 News.